Dan Murray here of Your Restoration Coach. Just want to let you know that besides doing business coaching and consulting, we also do a lot of training these days. The last few years, we've developed 9 half-day courses and 3 full-day courses. And all of them are now approved by the RIA and the IICRC for continuing education credits. We deliver these courses to either your staff, to your clients, to brokers, insurance adjusters, and also to property managers and facility managers in commercial real estate. So if you'd like to have a full package, just email me, Dan at yourrestorationcoach.com, or message me on LinkedIn, and we'll get the full package out to you. We have 9 full courses. I just want to point out one thing on the trauma grow up. We've also added a section on fentanyl, which has been that and the hoarding courses are our most popular courses at this particular time. These courses are great for training newbies in your office, also for training new people in the insurance industry. So we have a full package we can send you. This is our full day courses, and then each course we have a 1-page description so you can make up your mind which one you want. We can deliver these courses also through Zoom video, so no one has to travel if you like to do it that way, especially for your own staff. But usually we come to your office, but whatever works, we can help you, whatever's good for you. Okay, so look forward to chatting with you about this. Dan at Your Restoration Coach, or message me on LinkedIn and I'll send you the complete details. Cheers.